Here's why you should visit Somyat
Hey everyone,
Cave,
in this video I'm going to share
Philippines.
with you my Somyat Cave adventure in Siargao.
Grabe ang linaw ng tubig. Hey guys, so we're going now to Somyat Cave.
Oh, by the way, Somyat Cave is located nearby Pacifico area. And that's the entrance fee. And this is the waiver that I definitely didn't read at all. The entrance fee already includes the safety gear, the lighting, and most importantly, the tour guide.
And solo ko ngayon.
May safety briefing ba tayo?
Okay. Okay, yung kuba natin.
And so here's a safety briefing that I definitely asked you to do because as you know, safety first.
Okay. Ang unang butas, para simple lang. Yung ikalawang butas, gagapang ka. Gagapang ka, mga 8 feet siguro, 8 feet.
8 feet?
8 feet. Ang gagapangan mo, 8 feet.
Okay, malalim dun ah.
Tapos lakad, tapos ng lakad, may 2 metro na akitin ka. Climbing ka.
Climbing, okay.
Tapos pagdating mo dun, sa pag-akyat mo, ayun na yung bungad na yung
ganyan.
Pool.
Oh wow. Pwede mag-swimming dyan? Hindi no? Pwede?
Pwede sa gilid lang.
Sa gilid? Oh, sige.
Yun lang guide.
Oh yeah.
Putong.
That's my guide, Edwin.
So from the main road, you still need to walk like 100 meters or a minute or two before going inside the cave.
So welcome to Somyat Cave.
So dito na kayo magsisimula. Baba. Let's look at this. Okay kuya, ano po yung sabi niya?
Ito po, medyo dry pa ang kulay niya dito.
Dry
kasi nakita pa yung liwanag. Pag nandun na tayo sa loob, kulay puti na talaga. Itong mga laki nito, ang tawag nito closed stone.
Closed stone?
Closed stone yung mga.
Okay.
So, yung cave natin matibay na.
Matibay na siya?
Kasi yung takirian na nagtagpo na yung mga bato. So, yun ang nag-protect sa cave natin.
Oo. Yeah. Hey guys, grabe. Ganda.
This is the marvelous Somyat Cave. Grabe ganda! Okay.
Well, as you can notice, I was so lucky enough that during my time there, I was the only tourist to explore the area, plus the guide definitely. And look at all those rock formations. And we need to pass by that very small narrow path.
So doon ako galing. Here's the view now. Ang ganda.
The rock formations are definitely one of the kind and unique that I was really more afraid to damage them more than me hurting myself inside. As you can notice also, I'm wearing gloves because according to my guide, our hands has a certain oil that can damage the rocks if we touch it by our bare hands. And that's the wonderful emerald pool.
Shucks kuya, ang ganda. Grabe.
Guys, I think we're almost halfway. Nasama siya nakakapagod buhay. Pero masaya.
This cave honestly is one of the hardest that I've visited because I mean there's certain level of difficulties and there's not much safety infrastructures inside, so if you're not physically fit, I don't suggest that you do this one.
$100 million years. Oh wow. Okay, go. Jeperis. Oh, Jeperis. How cute. yan yung seaplants. Oh, cute. This is the seaplants. It's not panike.
No. Nandun ka naman yung pangikit sa... May itlog na siya. Saka.
Yeah.
Sila ang kumakain ng mosquito.
Ah, mosquito.
Oo.
Oh, wow. Napakadami. Maliliit ka.
Lahat, papunta dun sa loob, nandun na sila.
Oh, shucks.
So mahalayo pa yung cave natin pero minsan kasi sir, ito sila nandun sa loob. So makapapunta tayo dun. So kasi nandito sila, so dito lang, hanggang dito lang tayo.
Ah, hanggang dito lang tayo ngayon. Ah, okay lang.
Kasi pag papunta pa tayo, baka ma-disturbo natin to, matamaan tayo sa mukha.
Oo nga. Oops.
Kasi matalas yung ano nila.
Oo. Ang cute.
Hap nila.
Meron?
Opo. Sobrang liit. Yung baby niya. Ganyan lang talaga yung kalaki. Hindi siya
Ganyan kalaki.
Guys, ito yung mga bats dito. Surprisingly maliliit lang yung mga panipi nila dito. Pero ang cute na rin naman. Oh, they're moving.
So itong maliliit sir, ang tawag pa nito kasi maliit pa. Sodastro.
Dastro.
Sodastro.
Sawdust.
Okay. Kasi may butas pa siya sa gitna.
Ay, oo nga.
Lumalabas yung tubig na sa gitna, nagdumadaan.
Ito yung nag-create ng ano, di ba? Grabe.
So itong kid natin medyo matibay na kasi marami na siyang kulong na nagputik sa kid.
Anong year po ito na na-discover?
Na-discover to ng 2010.
2010 lang?
Oo.
Oh, bagong-bago.
So, kasi dito, doon may cave. Pero maraming cave dito.
Ah, marami?
Pero hindi safe.
Ah, hindi safe yung iba. Masyadong matarik.
So dito sir, pwede ka dito magpa-picture.
Ay, sige. Grabe.
Kaya man makirapan natin mag-picture. Ito po, 100 million years.
Okay guys, it's time for me to swim here. Try ko lang kung gaano kalamig ang tubig. Hey guys, so still here at the Somyot Cave and now we are here at the Emerald Pool and swimming lang ako saglit para malaman kung gaano siya kalamig. Dahil sabi ni Kuya, sobrang malamig ba? Saktong lamig lang. Yeah. Pero yun, pawis ako kasi medyo mahirap yung pag-akit niya dito pero super worth it kasi sobrang ganda. Let's see. Emerald Pool. So, I'm here now at the Emerald Pool and grabe ang linaw ng tubig. Hi guys, so here's my very incredible at magaling na guides, Kuya Edwin. Thank you, Kuya. Grabe, ang ganda talaga dito. So, ito na tayo pabalik. Labas na. Thank you so much, Kuya. Thank you, Lord. Tapos kaming safe. And palabas na. Grabe, ganda nito experience na to. Super worth it. Whew. And that ends the Somyot Cave tour. One of the hardest, but definitely worth it. We're done. So now I'm going back to my hostel habang dala ng sasakyan.